Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Pinterest not working. There are a few reasons why your Pinterest app might not be working. The first is because of bad network. The next is because of too much cache. You need to clear up some cache from the app. The third could be because the app is not updated. Now, to fix this, there are a few steps you have to take. The first is to go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Search for Pinterest from the search bar. Now when you search for it, if it's not updated, you're going to see updates. You click on it, it will update the app. The next thing you have to do is to go out from this Play Store app. Now click steadily on the app. Having searched for it, you're going to see app info. Click on it. From here, all you have to do is to click on the storage and cache in order to clear your cache. So when you clear your cache, you have to go back, click on force stop. When you force stop an app, it helps to stop every misbehavior in the app, so it will be easy for you to use your Pinterest if you force stop the app. Now you have to check your mobile network. That is another important part. You can switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi. You can even turn on your airplane for at least 10 to 15 minutes to be sure of your network. When you turn it off, it will clear off every misbehavior in the app. Now, having done that, you can also restart your phone. To do this, you have to click on the power button, click on the restart option here, and confirm you want to restart your phone. It will help to free up the phone and also the device you're making use of. You can also restart your phone and go back to the app, reopen the app, so you can see mine is working. So guys, that is it on how to fix Pinterest not working. Hope this guides you. If you have any question relating to this video, do well to drop it at the comment section. Thanks for watching.